Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I am bringing you a scrapbook haul. As many of you may know, we live and travel and I craft in our RV, and our travels have brought us to Sevierville, Tennessee. A couple of years ago, it was probably even longer than that, maybe 10, 15, I don't know. I first found the Scrapbook Superstore, and every time I've come to Tennessee after living in Florida, I would stop in and shop. But it's been a while. It's been 5 or 6 years since I've been back. So I decided to check them out, and I'm going to show you a little bit of what I purchased. I don't know the prices of everything, but I know that these were 10 cents. And why would I get a Santa made of sand? Because I'm going to do some projects for Christmas and sell them in a craft fair in Florida. So I thought that was apropos, and it's pretty cute. So I got 5 of those. And then this, so I've purchased one in the past, and it made one of my favorite photos of the family. So you take a photo and you print it 8.5 by 11, and then you put this on top of the photo, and it looks like your family or whatever the photo is in a magazine cover. So I got this one, and I have lots of photos of hiking and outdoorsy stuff from our adventurous year. So I am definitely going to use that. So I say anyone who is in the Gatlinburg area of Tennessee needs to get one of these, because you will be really happy. As you may know, I live and travel in my RV, and I craft while I do, but we also enjoy our hiking, and we try to hike, I don't know, 4, 5, 6 times a week, depends on where we are. So anyhow, this is cool, and I will use that, and I'm wondering if I should have gotten one for every member of my family for a Christmas gift, but anyhow. And then I got this. I'm going to do a December daily, and I thought this was a good start for it. I love having numbers for the days. And if this works out as well, then I know I can always go back and get some more. So this was all at the clearance portion of the scrapbook store. It's called Scrapbook Superstore, and this was Scrapbook Clearance Center. And these are stickers. They are by Kaiser Craft. And the color goes along with a lot of collections that I already own, just, you know, pieces of it. So there's that. And then I'm really excited about these. You know, when you're doing mini albums and you have a page that flips, sometimes you just don't want to use magnets. And I like the Turnbuckles. They're calling them metal photo turns. And they had so many different colors, and I think I might want to go and get a bunch more. I mean, these I will use for anything, and you know, you can alcohol ink them and add some different colors. They're just silver. But I have some Halloween paper that has green. I actually also have some Christmas paper that has green as an accent. So I might use that for those. And then I also, that was from the clearance center. This is from the Scrapbook Superstore. Incidentally, it was in a larger building, but it's moved to a smaller section, but that's okay. It's still doing well. So I sell campers logbooks, and one of the pages includes national parks, and I thought this was fabulous, and I am going to look at my logbook and see if I can get this in the book, if it'll fit. So hopefully it will. I mean, this would be neat as a cover. So I got a couple of those. Doodlebug. I mean, who doesn't love Doodlebug? So I thought I would do a kind of traveler's notebook with lists, you know, room for you to write on. And I just was enjoying this bright, colorful paper. That's the other side of that. And the other side of this is that, but I won't use that. And this is part of the Cute and Crafty collection. And I didn't go with too much of that, but I did like this list style. I love that Doodlebug does that. I had some stickers in my collection. Stickers are ephemera. This goes this way. That matches with this orange. You know, it's not a real bright orange. And so I was going to make a couple of cards and different things for Halloween. There's the back side of it. So I got those. I will finish these by the end of the day. And I need to make some cards. So I got these two. And this will be fabulous for the sheet load of cards, either for October or November. I haven't done November's yet, so I was thinking I might use this. The back sides of that is that and that. But as well, I got these two I'm trying to decide if I'm looking in the camera, if I like how they go together. I think they do. What do you guys think? This is the back side of that, but I won't use that for cards. And this one is just white on the back. So anyhow, I just thought it was pretty paper. And then I wanted some bright, cheerful Christmas. And so I purchased this from Simple Stories. And I will be doing lots of fun Christmas stuff with this. So that is what I got from the Scrapbook Clearance Center and the Scrapbook Superstore. The Scrapbook, we'll put this. The Scrapbook Superstore is on Collier Drive in Sevierville, Tennessee. So that is what I have for you today as a haul. Let me know if you want me to do a walkthrough of the store. They said I can if I want, and I'm sure I will be back there before I leave Tennessee. So thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.